guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And boy, do we have a video today, guys. Google stock is going crazy. It's up about 12% today after hours. So we're going to be kind of talking about what's going on, answering that main question of is now the best time to invest in it. So guys, hope you guys all enjoy it. Like, subscribe, do what you guys do. And if you want to learn more about trading in the markets, I highly recommend going on and checking out my swing trading school where you guys can learn to navigate and trade through the markets. It's absolutely fantastic, and trust me guys, I know when people think of YouTubers selling courses or online schools, they think it's a scam and they cringe, and I get it, but hey, this is really different. We have private live streams, we have group chats, quizzes, lectures, all that stuff, and I don't believe in alerts. I teach you strategies to navigate and trade the market. So check it out down below. You guys can use code HALFOFF to get 50% off, and guys, let's jump into this here. So looking at Google stock here, you guys can see we've seen a ton of great growth out of it this past year. The stock has gone from about $88 a share all the way up to pretty much $160. Now, as of today, we saw this incredible move where the stock jumped from 160 or about 156 to highs at $181, hitting pretty much record highs, which is absolutely fantastic. As we look at this here, look at this. Look at this great growth year after year after year, which is always great. Solid company. Now, why are we getting so much buying pressure today after hours? Well, Google announced an earnings report. So this is when the company comes out and they give you all the good and they give you all the bad. They give you the revenue, the cash flow, and all of that stuff. Now, beforehand, Wall Street will say, hey, I'm expecting Google to bring in whatever amount of money. Maybe it's $10 billion, maybe it's a single dollar. Now, if Google beats those expectations, often we'll see a ton of buying pressure out of it. Now, when they miss revenue, we'll see, or miss earnings, we'll see the complete opposite where it gets a lot of sell-off here. So let's go ahead and look at what is going on here. So I have this up here. I use Moo for all my news, and the broker I use, I'll put them down below. They're great. But looking at this here, Google pretty much announced their Q1 2024 earnings. And guys, look at the revenue here. Revenue, 15% increase year over year, pretty much beating estimate. They reported $80.5 billion versus estimated $78.5 billion. So beating expectations. That is what we like to see. On top of that, net income, pretty much beating expectations, which is always great to see as well. Earnings per share, which is beating expectations. Operating margin expanded 32%, up from 25%. Always great. But one thing that we've always wanted from growth stocks and companies like Google is dividends, which is, guys, Google dividend is here. Let's go. So they are now going to be paying a quarterly cash dividend of 20 cents per share payable June 17th, 2024, which is always good. So now with Google, you're going to be getting cash flow every single quarter in the form of dividends. And yeah, it's only 20 cents a share, but guys, that over 15, 20 years compounded could easily add up to thousands of dollars. And another thing here that Google is doing is a stock repurchase. They authorized an additional 70 billion in Class A and Class C shares repurchases because they are highlighting confidence, stability, and future growth. Companies repurchase their stock when they are stable, when they are growing, when they are moving and grooving, looking for long-term growth. And guys, Google, I've been saying this for a while, Google is that stock, that company. They have like over $160 billion in cash. They're a very stable company. So yeah, the dividend is another incentive for people to buy the stock. All right, let's continue to look at this. So this is all the rest of the pretty much earnings here. So should you buy Google? Well, I definitely think, answering that question of should you buy Google, it's just like a growth company, right? It's actually getting out, in my opinion, it could be easily getting out of that growth realm and getting more of the value pick. And I know that sounds crazy, but I really think, we've seen such great growth out of Google. Google knows it can't be like that forever. So they're now offering dividends to incentivize more people to invest in it. And that's great. That's a bullish thing. On top of that, Google is heavily invested into AI technology software, which is all some of the best sectors to invest in. AI alone is rated to grow at 37% annually for the next 10 years. So if Google can be one of the leaders, I'm not saying it's going to be the leader, because I think we all know right now NVIDIA is kind of paving that path. But if they can be right there, making money with AI, and they have search engine, and they have YouTube and a variety of other streams of income, I think Google is in a very, very healthy place for long-term growth. And guys, I'm buying it. I'm buying as much as I can, but I'm dollar cost averaging. Now, dollar cost averaging is investing consistently into this company. What this does is it gets a good average price for your shares, because yes, Google, you could be paying a little premium for it right now just because it's up so much. And I definitely think with the stock being up that much, you always hear buy low, sell high, not buy high, sell low. So dollar cost averaging, if we do get that sell off, you're just averaging down on that price. And once it recovers, you make a lot more money. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn about investing and trading, check out my swing trading school, and we'll see you guys in there. Take care, everyone.